Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Siti. I'm from Faculty of Plantation and Agrotechnology. Okay, today I'm going to explain to you the mechanism of cell elongation. However, before I start to explain it to you in depth, let me briefly explain it to you why cell elongation is important to the plant, or where or which part of the plant this cell elongation happen. So let me show you the brief of cell elongation. Okay, this is the area of plant shoot. I've already cut it. In a few weeks later, we noticed that there have been a new shoot emerging. This is example of why cell elongation is important in plants. Now I'm going to show you another example why the cell elongation is important. This is a stem cutting. Okay. So, however, there is no root emerge from the bottom of the stem cutting yet. So normally the root will emerge about 2 or 3 weeks after stem cutting have been made. So this is also one of example of importance of cell elongation purposely in for root formation. Okay, now I would like to explain it to you in depth of cell elongation mechanism. Okay, this is a process of biochemical reaction, which is involve the chemical reaction such as hormone as well as enzyme. In here, I'm explaining the mechanism of cell elongation through acid growth hypothesis. Right, this is plant cell. Okay, they make a cross section here and make a bigger figure here. Alright, in order to start cell elongation, so auxin need to produce in a plant cell. So normally, auxin will be produced in plant cell or young tissue. Okay, in a young tissue. Before we proceed, we have to know what is auxin. Auxin is a plant hormone for promoting plant growth, especially for stimulate cell elongation. When auxin are present, plants' wall are able to stretch. This is because auxin will move inside the cytoplasm of a plant cell and bind in order to activate a proton plant. Auxin will promote the expansion of cell wall by first promoting the efflux of proton. The activated proton pumps move protons out of the cytoplasm and into the cell wall. The pH of the cell wall lowers to about pH 5, which is a pH which is optimum for the action of the enzyme that could break down the cross linkage in the cell wall of the cellulose and microfibrils. Therefore, the cell wall will increase the acidity. Increase in acidity will activate hydrolyzing enzyme to synthesis such as cellulase, pectinase, and hemocellulase. This particular enzyme able to break the bonds of polysaccharide such as cellulose, pectin, hemicellulose, and therefore they will become loose. Once these cross linkage are broken, the cell wall are now able to expand. As the vacuole fills with water, the cell is able to elongate. The auxin is only made in young tissue. As the cell matured, the auxin is destroyed, meaning that the cell wall will become rigid again. the cross-linkage reform as they do not get broken as the pH is no longer at optimum for the relevant enzyme to be active. Therefore, the cell could no longer expand and grow. Okay guys, I hope this video might help you in this particular subject, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, see you later, bye.